In this session, let us learn about Java enums. To create an enum, use the enum keyword instead of class or interface and separate the constants with a comma. Note that they should be in uppercase letters. You can access enum constants with the dot syntax, level myvar, level medium. See here, while we execute and return this code, the result printed, see in uppercase, medium. Enum is short for enumerations, which means specifically listed. Enum inside a class. You can also have a enum inside a class. See here. Now, while we write and execute this code, the result returns this, the medium. Enum in a switch statement. Enums are often used in switch statements to check for corresponding values. See here, while we write and execute this code, see enum level, low, medium, high, public class main. See level myvar is called level medium. See switch case, low. See break case, medium, break case, high. See it's medium level and low level and high level. See, while we write and execute this code, the medium level was printed. Loop through an enum. The enum type as a values method, which returns an array of all enum constants. This method is useful when you want to loop through the constants of an enum. See here, while we write and execute this code, see here, low, medium, high was printed. The output will be low, medium, high. Difference between enums and classes. An enum can, just like a class, have attributes and methods. The only difference is that enum constants are public, static and final, unchangeable, cannot be override. An enum cannot be used to create objects and it cannot extend other classes, but it can implement interfaces. Why and when to use enums? Use enums when you have values that you know are not going to change, like month, days, colors, deck of cards, etc. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 35, Java enum. In next few, let us learn about another topic, Java user input.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.